All right, my friends, huge full body stretch. Take years off your life and maybe end up in the splits. I don't know if I will, but let's try it out. All body weight. Click that like button right now and let's go. Beginning in low lunge to runner's lunge. Take your right foot forward, left knee back. Lots of breath. Modify as needed. Always use control. And let's get some mobility and flexibility. We're gonna rock forward and back with a little piece of grass in between our toes. Inhale forward, exhale back. Good. Calves, hamstrings, hip mobility. Drop the shoulders. Enjoy the lake, the fake ducks out there, or the real, nobody ever knows. Stretch it out. Flex that foot if you like. These are a lot of stretches I've been doing every night with core work while I do my writing, my work, as I hit 50 in just a few months. So these are essential to keep me moving. Lifting up my son, playing with my son, playing sports, doing everything. Good. Take the knee a little bit in front of the knees, that's all right, or the knee in front of the toes. Fingers are down for support. And let's go to the other side. Left foot forward. I swear these capris are just getting shorter all the time. They're actually just shorts now. Back, stretch it out, rocking back and forth. Good, feel it out. You're gonna have a lot of rebellion from your calves here. And let's do a few more, getting the hip flexors moving, getting movement, getting blood flow. Okay, let me turn around this way. Take your right leg forward into a pigeon pose. You could bend the back leg or stretch that back leg if you like. Hands down, and let's rock it side to side. As we smush the glutes, open up the glutes, the lower back, and any chance to do pigeon, well, we gotta take it, right? Love the pigeons. Lots of breath. If you want more, take this forearm down, bend that back leg, reach back and pull. Make a whole flow out of it. Release, stretch forward, releasing the back. Oh, good. Then walk the hands back up. I'm all wet now from the grass, and pull. Good, long spines, lengthen it all out. Ooh, that quad, it's excited by what's going on. Let's do one more. There's that twist and stretch. I love the visual of stretching by a lake. And let's step it back to downward facing dog. Shake out the legs. Walk them if you like. These are stretches, these are flows, these are exercises you could do anywhere, anytime, for massive benefits, not just if you're turning 50 this year, maybe you're turning 60, 70, or turning 20. They work for everybody. Get the rotation in there, loosen up the sides. I woke up about 45 minutes ago, so this is the perfect time. Perfection. All right, left leg forward. Pigeon, proud pigeon, hands down, rocking back and forth, feel it out. Massaging the back leg. Every little bit helps. Not just moving into the splits, but in life, in movement, through your day-to-day activities, having true mobility, freedom in your movements. And if you like, you can take the right forearm down and we reach back. There's that flow. Pull. We're always moving, always breathing, always doing something positive, and then reach into the grass. And pull. Fingers on the top, elbow is up, pulling the foot straight towards you, not out of alignment. And let's do it one more time, one more time. We'll talk like this. You dirty rat, little Jimmy Cagney, by the lake, white heat, real ducks. Stretch. All right, give me that down dog. Take the feet together. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, stretch it out. Hamstrings, calves, lower back, glutes. Shoulders are loose. Work it out, practice. Got to stay consistent. I said you can take years off your life, possibly off your body, but you got to do it consistently. One-off stretches don't exist. We do it once and that's it for the rest of our lives. No. My dad used to eat 1 apple a week. He thought that was enough. I said, eat them every day. You have an apple a day. And some Coach Vigue workouts. One more time. Oh, just delightful. Take this left leg out to the side. Got a real doozy for you here. Always a doozy, but come out to the side. You can relax down, or if you want to go even further, this is a bigger move. Take this right arm forward, thread the needle. Oh, free of charge right here, my friends. Extend the leg out more if you like. Rock side to side. You can bend the back leg as well. Getting some movement in the hamstrings and the hip flexor. Massage, massage. Might look a little strange, but it's so beneficial. Who cares? What am I oh man, kicking thing. All right, let's move it to the other side. Down dog for just a moment, shake it out. And then right leg out in the grass. Bring it down or thread the needle. Up to you. Let the body weight and gravity grab hold of this stretch and make it something extraordinary. Lots of breath. Remember, it's always yours. This is always your workout. How's that feel? Feel good? Can't wait to hear your reaction to these stretches. Think of them as exercises, as a blueprint for life, for maximized living. With a good night's sleep, lots of hydration, low stress. You all right, Sean? Yeah, I'm fine. Rolling around on my mat over here. You need help? No, I'm good. Look at me. I'm threading the needle. What more do I want? All right, take it back. Down dog. Take the feet together. Press back and then rock side to side. Ooh, one of my favorites. Ooh. Stretch down the side. Oh, wearing my son's favorite shirt. Seems to help. Makes me think of him, which is always good. Okay, shake out the legs. Sink those heels down. As you exhale, press into the palms, activating the backs of the legs. Think long, lean, functional, mobile muscles, my friends. Mobile body. Ligaments, tendons. Let the fascia release. Let it break down. One more breath. All right, take the knees down for a moment. Quick shakeout. All right. I wrote down a lot of stuff here. We'll get to most of it. Take that leg out. We're going to do a side lunge here. Other foot down. And from here, rock it back and forth. Forward, oh, back. Hello, glutes. Hello, IT band. Don't even know if a gator is gonna sneak up on me here. I'm always looking. Have big mirrors up by the camera so I can see. It's like a rear view mirror. Always see behind me. Back and forth, all the way down here. All right, just getting ready, getting ready. Other side. Engage. Make it yours. Make it yours. You don't need to rock. If you start doing that and like, oh man, not there yet. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. Consistency is key. Practice. I'm an instructor. I do the same thing sometimes. I don't do the stretches. I feel it. I feel it when I don't do it. We all have very similar responses to our movements or lack of movements throughout the day. Oh, that's nice. All right. Cobra or up dog. Hands are on the shoulders. Lift up. You could do leg curls from Cobra here or up dog. If you have a wall, you could always, you really want to get into it, you place your foot and knee up against the wall to get that huge stretch. But this is our leg curl right here. I like to do a little rocking side to side, releasing the lower back. Again, addressing the hip flexors, hip extenders, and the hamstrings. And getting blood flow and activation into the upper body too. It all goes together. You don't say, hey, I want to do the front splits, so I'm just going to stretch my hamstrings over and over. No, do the whole body. Stretch everything. So you're always in a state of readiness. You're prepared. You can adapt. You're able and functional for anything. All right. Let's move in to the splits flow. Yeah, I guess I'll stay here. Right foot forward. Capri should go past the knees, right? Okay, so we have the knee down like before, or you could extend that leg. So we go back and forth, either low lunge to the runner's lunge, or we go back to pyramid. Now as you go forward, drop the shoulders, lift tall, drop the back leg down. And as you go back, focus on this left heel, the back heel, press it down. I teach this a lot in my classes. If you like, from this point, you can start moving into the front splits. This foot goes forward, that leg goes back. That's all up to you. Perhaps it's not time yet. As I said, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, maybe next week. Some of you I hear, like maybe in 10 years. We'll see. But it's there. And regardless, we get a heck of a workout here. Stripping years off the body. Off the tightness, off the injuries perhaps. All right, I'm gonna start going this way. I like take my hands out to the sides. I keep moving, I rock back and forth. Yeah, not bad. Feels good. I feel hip flexors, hamstrings, glutes. Like a big, big therapeutic massage, isn't it? If you like more splits focused videos, let me know in the comments, by the way. It's always an excuse to break out all these amazing stretches. What? There's another side? Oh, man. I thought this was it. There's another side? I'm talking to that squirrel over there. Ha, 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 ha. Very mental too. Let me relax myself. I'm gonna do 2 more breaths here. I'm here, I'm gonna stay for a bit. Grab a book. Grab one of my books. All right. Oh man. Just you wait and see in a couple days how your body feels, how it opens up, how it moves better, responds better. Okay, I'm gonna take it to the other side. Shake it out. Go at your own pace. Hope the camera's still on. And then left foot forward. Pull that over the knee. And find that split series, my friends. Lots of breath. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Pressing that back heel down. There we go. Bunching up a little bit. Anytime you like, you feel you want to go further, you have the front splits to start moving into that. Some of you I know just boom, probably go right into it. God bless you. We're still working on it. All right, here goes Coach Vigue. Hands down. This side's always a little tighter, right back here in that right hip flexor. So I'm gonna rock, I'm gonna roll, I'm gonna breathe, I'm gonna relax my brain. Nice, feels good. Oh. Balance it out, both sides evenly. Whew. Use those exhales to sink down. Keep me posted on your progress. You can always tag me on Instagram at Sean Vigue Fitness. I'll share it along. Love to see the progress in the splits, in your fitness, in your movement, in your life. Oh, that feels good. Happy hip flexors. Woo! All right, let's get out of this. I'll tell you, the most important part of this whole stretch is right here. You ready? Oh, bring the legs forward. And now, let's go this way into the sun. Shake them out. Shake, 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 shake. There's the sun. I'm always gravitating towards the sun. It's nature's spotlight, natural lighting for me. Fantastic. All right, my friends, how did that feel? Feel good? If this helped, if you like this flow, always click that like button. Really helps me get these videos, I can't talk now. Really helps me get these videos out to more and more people. Hit the subscribe button, and also there's that notification bell. Click it up there to never miss one of my workouts. I highly appreciate it. And share it on, get it out there into the world. Whew. Do it every day for consistency. That's the key. Anywhere, anytime with me, Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. I'll see you soon. Hello again, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. I love that we're training together. I love it so much. I want to give you, as a gift, my most popular 30-minute yoga video ever. It's from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you got to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and it's yours. Go get it right now.